In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix echo in OBS Studio, mic and audio echo issue. Echo usually comes from duplicated audio sources or your microphone recapturing sound that's already being played back. Let's clean that up so your stream or recording sounds clear and professional. Start by opening OBS Studio, look down at the audio mixer, and talk into your mic. Watch the meters while you speak. Ideally, you should see only your microphone channel moving. If multiple bars are bouncing when you talk, you're hearing duplicates. Mute every channel that reacts to your voice except your main microphone by clicking the speaker icon on those extra sources. Common culprits include a webcam mic, a virtual device, or even desktop audio if it's picking up your mic indirectly. Keep your primary mic unmuted. Next, go to File, then Settings, then Audio. In the Global Audio Devices section, disable anything you don't need. Set only your primary microphone in the Mic Auxiliary Audio field. For desktop audio, choose the correct playback device you actually want to capture, or set it intentionally based on your workflow. The goal is to avoid letting OBS listen to the same input twice. If you're using speakers, your mic can pick them up and feed that back into your stream. Switch to headphones to isolate playback from the room. This one change often eliminates that hollow, room-fed echo. Back in OBS, right-click inside the audio mixer and open Advanced Audio Properties. Find your microphone and check audio monitoring. Set it to monitor off, or use an option that does not route your mic back to your speakers while still sending it to the broadcast. Avoid any setting that feeds your live mic into your speakers, because your mic can then recapture it. Now refine the sound. In the audio mixer, click the three dots next to your mic, choose filters, and add noise suppression. This reduces background hum and helps tame subtle room reflections, making your voice clearer. Adjust the suppression level gently so your voice remains natural. Finally, in Windows sound settings, make sure your microphone isn't set to listen to this device. If it is, Windows will play your mic through your speakers, which your mic can then hear again. Turn that off to prevent a feedback loop. Speak again and watch the meters. You should see only the mic moving when you talk, with no extra channels reacting. Do a quick test recording to confirm everything sounds clean and you're good to go.